Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at is 2-4 today. And 2-4 is looking at modeling addition and subtraction of decimals. So this is really looking at us modeling how to do this, and then we will get into taking and working on this with the regular formula too. So this is just for those of you who are more of a visual learner, this is going to be beneficial for you. For those of you who aren't visual learners, this is going to be helpful still, but might not be your cup of tea, but still give it your best go. All right, how do you add decimals using grids? Use the table to find the total monthly cost of using the dishwasher and the DVD player. So if we look to use the DVD player, it's going to cost 40 cents per month. To use the dishwasher, it's going to take 85 cents per month. So we need to remember those values. So I'm going to write them down here. So we've got 40 cents plus 85 cents, okay? So these are our number grids. So we're going to use them to help us. Now, I'm going to represent the 40. So each column, that needs to be darker. Hang on. All right, so each column represents 1/10. So we need 4 columns to represent our 40. So we just fill in these 4 columns. And then, okay, so we've got our 4 columns. Now we're going to take and add 85 to that. So we're going to add on 85. So we need another 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 80 cents more, but we still need the 5. So each individual box on our grid represents 100 because these are 100 grids. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this represents 85. The pink ones here represent 85 cents, and then these gray ones are representing the 40 cents. So now to find the answer to this problem, how much it would cost to run both, we add it up. Well, if we fill in one entire big square, that represents one whole. So we have $1, and now we need to look over here. We've got 2 columns that are completely filled in, so that represents 2/10. Plus, we have these 5 little boxes which represent our hundredths. So, whoops, 125. So it's $1.25 a month to run both the DVD player and the dishwasher. Okay? All right, now we're going to look at it in terms of subtracting. So we want to find the difference between the cost per month to run the microwave and the ceiling light. So the microwave, okay, we're going to change this up. We're actually going to do it between the ceiling light and the dishwasher. Okay, we're going to look at the difference there. So between the ceiling light and the dishwasher. So let me change that. Light and dishwasher. It's going to be a little easier. I don't have quite enough grids on here. So ceiling light, it says, is 89 cents, and the dishwasher was 85 cents. So we've got 89 cents minus 85 cents. So we're going to do the same thing we did before. Similarly, anyways, we're going to start off by filling in how much for the ceiling light. So all these, so remember we need to get to 89. So we're going to have 8 full columns filled in. So I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6, 7, and 8. And then we need 9 more. All right, now we're subtracting. So in this case, we're going to take, and we need to cross out 85 cents worth. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So if we look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over that weren't crossed out. So that means the answer to this is 4 hundredths, because we just have 4 of the little boxes filled in. So that is how we use these to take and subtract. All right, so let's try another one of these. We're going to take and do another subtraction one and then another addition one, okay? So let's start with the 1.22 plus the 1 and 22 hundredths plus the 34 hundredths. So if we need 1, that means this whole entire square is filled in. So we're going to pretend that's completely filled in. And then we need 22. There's our 22. Now we need 34 hundredths added on to that. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. There's 18. There's 28. So then 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So there is our 34 added on. Now we count these. So we know we've got the 1 whole here. So we're still going to have 1 point. How many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full columns. And then how many hundredths? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1.56, 1 and 56 hundredths is our solution. Okay? All right, the next one we're going to do is the subtraction one over here. So we need to have 2 and 73 hundredths filled in. So that means all of this one, all of this one, and then 73 hundredths over here. So 7 columns and then 3 little boxes. So there's 3, there's 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So there's our 73, and then we're going to subtract the 94 from it. So let me switch this back to black. So we've got 1, so there's 10, there's 20, there's 30, there's 40, there's 50, there's 60, there's 70, there's 80, oops, there's 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So, yeah. So we've got the 94 crossed off. Now we need to figure out how much we have. Well, we still have 1 whole left. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full tenths left. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 9 hundredths left over. So our answer is 1.79. Okay? So this is what you guys are going to be working on, is taking and modeling addition and subtraction with decimals. So using these grids to help you with that. Remember, each column represents a tenth. Each little square represents 1 hundredth. and then a full box, so the full big box that represents one whole. Your keyword for this lesson is model. Model is your keyword for this lesson. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye, guys.